Alrighty, well, I treated myself to a Red Bronze bathtub diverter. It was about $25 because I changed out the cartridge behind here because you know how when it drips, you need a new shower cartridge. So that was a whole event in itself. And I decided to treat myself to getting a new spout to match everything up. And because it didn't come in a set, it's just I have to exchange one. It was off in the color. So I have these little keys. I had one attached that was attached to the whole set, but it was kind of cumbersome. So it is 5. It is the size number 5. And then I'm just twisting this anti-clockwise to get this loose, to get this undone. And then I will find out if the tub replacement spout that I got fits. It's for 1/2-inch pipe. So I'm just gonna pause this. Alrighty, so I removed the spout. It looks like it's a 1/2 inch. And pardon me, this is a size 4 key little wrench thing. And the copper pipe has a lot of green on it, so I'm just gonna polish that up while I have that open. And it appears that the other spout will fit on just fine. So this will be a fairly quick and easy repair to match my accessories, which I am buying. I have the shower head, I have the plate cover here, and then I just need to get a overflow plate and this drain after that. So it's coming along. Definitely a lot easier than putting in a shower cartridge, that is for sure. I got the pipe cleaned up a little bit with just a cloth and Barkeeper's Friend. This stuff is the best. It's a cleaner of everything. So I'm ready to put the spout back on. All right, and I got it back on. I started it with the screw up towards the side of it, and then I slid it down and just finished it. So the moment of truth will be if this works. Some of the parts inside here, like the plastic parts, were sliding around a little bit on the copper. So let me see if this functions and I'll let you know. Okay, so the first try that I got this on, the water didn't go all the way up to the shower head. I mean, it just partly, and then was coming out of the bathtub spout. So there were all these parts, these moving parts. So what I did is I got them all to the back of this. You see that metal ring was kind of sliding in and out. So I got all the parts together and then put this screw on, but just started the screw, and then I'll try to put it back on the tube because I think everything should be in its place now, and it wasn't before. That metal ring was sort of free and jiggling, and then all those plastic pieces kind of were separating and going onto the metal pipe. So let me try this all connected and try to screw it again onto the copper pipe here and do an update. Alrighty, and I got it on. It was a little snug to get on. And then I started with the wrench, just tightening it from this side, and then I'm gonna turn it so it's in the proper position and then keep tightening it. And then try again to see if it works. And all the water goes up to the shower head. Success! All right, that was a success. What happened was that the moving parts in this spout started, like some of them attached to the pipe, then there was a loose metal ring, and so when I pulled this, I don't know if it's a diverter, probably a diverter, it wasn't all going up into the shower because not all the parts were in place. So I took it out, got all the parts in place, started that screw like I showed you, and then screwed it in. So yay, I have the spout, the handle, and the shower head matching as my reward for changing out the shower cartridge. So I just need that overhead plate and the spout. But when you buy everything separately, it's a little harder to match up the colors because they can vary a little bit, although I think black matte is an option, but as I'm buying them on Amazon, I can always return them. Well, thank you for listening. Feel free to donate, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye-bye.